Hello, Jay, and everyone over there at East Coast Metal Roofing. My name is Charles, and it was a pleasure talking to you early on this week, Jay. Um, I'm making this video, like I mentioned to Jay, that I'm making this video just showing you what I do and how I help more and more customers come to businesses, find businesses organically without the businesses paying for advertisement or for Angie's List, Home Advisor. In fact, I had found your company on Angie's List, and that's why I'm reaching out. You can take these tips that I want to give you today and use them yourselves, or give them to your SEO or website person. Or if you like this video, and I do have more tricks up my sleeve, I'm more than willing to help you guys and improve your online presence, which I have to admit is really good. And I'll get into that in a few minutes. But I think that there's room for improvement, especially if you want to become more national and cover more locations. So the three things I want to talk about today. In fact, why am I doing this? Maybe that's your question right now. I'm doing this because I know a lot of business owners are way too busy to learn or to take care of these side of things, and they'd rather just pay for advertising. And also, there's so much information out there, so many experts, and I just wanted to prove myself by giving free recommendations. If you like them, you can go ahead and use them, like I had said. Or if you want to work together, I'm more than willing to. So the three things I want to talk about today are content, backlinks, and citations. Let me say them in order: content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content. Content has everything to do with your front page. Everything you can see that I've highlighted in black. These are all the words, the text behind the pictures as well. For example, this picture here, you can see it's saved as screenshot 2020, just a string of numbers and letters. Let's take another picture here, like this picture. It's saved as image-asset. It's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page of authoritative text to optimize with Google and Google searches. So what that means is that text that shows who you are, what locations you service, what services you provide, etc., making you more relevant for the your targeted clients, so that Google picks you up and puts you right in front of them. We know these days about 90% of people use Google to search for business, especially local businesses, and about 70% of them do not leave the front page. So it's important to be up there and be relevant. And then saturate those 1,000 to 1,500 words of text with keywords. Litter that text with keywords. Keywords are those search phrases that people use to look for your business. For example, a search term like metal roof installers, Massachusetts, or Connecticut. Now, if you litter your front page and your page with all these if you do keyword research and then litter your front page with good search relevant keywords, Google will start to pick you up for more and more searches and put you in front of your potential clients. Now, I have to admit, you guys have done a really good job with local SEO, because whenever I search metal roofers installers, I can find you guys as one. Probably here you are on the front page, number 5. You're getting a lot of traffic from them. I can tell that if I put in metal roof installers, Massachusetts. I know these are your areas, and I can see you're already in the map pack, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, and you're already here in number 5, which is really, really good for local. I'm sure you're getting a lot of traffic from them. I think you're also in New Hampshire. In New Hampshire as well. So that's really good for local SEO. Now, maybe it's time to increase and be national. And by national, I mean if someone searches for metal roof installers, it'd be pretty good if you could end up here on top, so that these are more harder to beat keywords. And it would be great if you could, because the search volume from this, and I have a tool called Ahrefs which will show me. Here, let me grab this and I'll put you into Ahrefs. I have to sign in first, and I'm going to explore this one keyword. Here, metal roof installers near me. There's about 2,600 people searching for that every month, and it's national because it does not include a location. Now, if you're expanding to different locations, you'd have to start to include those kind of keywords within your text. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations have to do with the part of the search. Let's go to another search. Metal roofing companies, Massachusetts. So this part of the search, the map pack, that has to do with citations. Now, the more citations you're in, the higher you'll rise up in the map pack. Not only the more citations, but the relevant citations. There are tools out there that you can find the citations of your competitors. Make sure you're in those same directories, and not only that, you want to double or triple the number of citations you have. And just to recap, a citation is where your name, address, and phone number appear in directories across the internet. So the higher quality and the higher number of citations you have, the higher you will rank here. Last thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and this is why you're ranking pretty high for local searches. And like I said, you're doing good locally. If you'd like to expand and be more national, especially if you're expanding the areas that you service, it's important to increase, or at least look at your competition and make sure you're beating your competition in terms of backlinks. And that if you decide to move to different locations and you want to start ranking different locations, you'd have to look at the competitions in those locations and double or triple the amount of backlinks that you have. So if you improve on those three things, especially if you're expanding or if you want to become more nationally, grab more national traffic, work on your content. I would definitely try and increase it and include relevant keywords, which are also relevant to those locations that you want to get traffic from. Work on your citations and your backlinks. Again, I'm Charles. I have to admit, you're doing a really good job. I'm not sure if you even need my help, but if you like what you've seen, and I can definitely take you national, and so that you're ranking and grabbing traffic from everywhere. Thank you very much, and have a great day.